Hello everyone and welcome to your Monday movement. So I am fresh off of my fitness and yoga retreat that was in Cabo, and during that time all of our workouts were pretty much body weight, and we were able to get a really awesome workout without any sort of equipment. So today that's what I'm offering up to you, just in case you have a spring break trip planned, or you are traveling for work, or you don't have a lot of time, a lot of space. This is for you. So we're gonna go through today's workout 5 times. If you're running short on time, keep in mind you could adjust that to 3 or 4 rounds. You're going to be working with one of 2 intervals. So beginner to intermediate, 30 seconds work, 15 seconds rest, and then intermediate to advanced, 45 seconds work with 15-second rest. It's total body. We're going to work the upper body, the lower body, and the core, starting first with one of my all-time favorites, jump lunges. So being light on your feet, landing on the balls of the feet, you're going to lunge and lunge. You'll notice how I'm not making any noise when I land. If you're not a jumper, remember you can just alternate reverse lunges there. Our second move is a walking plank. So high plank to forearm plank. Starting in that high plank position, lower down, forearm, forearm, palm, palm. Lower, lower, lift, lift. Keep the elbows in nice and tight. You should feel this in your triceps. Modification for that would be to bring your knees down to the ground for a little extra support. Back on our feet for a side lunge or a lateral lunge with the knee tuck. We're gonna work the lower body and the core at the same time. We're gonna move with the right leg first. So you lunge out to the side, sit back and down. It's just like a squat. And then as you stand, you're gonna cross that knee across the body. Cross, lunge, cross, lunge, cross. As you're taking these lateral lunges, make sure that the knee follows the toe and the leg that is the inside leg stays straight and strong. I'm going to show you that from the side so you can see my hip movement. So you'll notice when I come out to that lunge, my butt goes back and then down. My chest stays lifted. Crunch across the body. Again, I'm not making any sort of sound when I land. So you're not just collapsing, you're using your core strength to decelerate your body, to slow your body down. After the right leg lateral lunges, then we're gonna come down to the ground. For in and outs, I like to call them like a boat pose in yoga. A couple options here, hands behind the back on the ground or arms extend forward. Inhale out, exhale in. The big thing to look out for with your in and outs is that your spine stays long and you don't round through the back. If your arms are in front of you but you're rounding your back, my suggestion is to bring the hands back behind you, spread the collarbones, have just a little bit of weight back here, and focus on the long spine as you build up your strength. Thighs to chest, chest to thighs. Then we're back on our feet for the left leg lateral lunge with the knee cross. Out to the side, cross. Out to the side, cross. Again, 30 or 45 seconds, and then we're back to our core for plank hip dips or rolling planks. You'll start in a high plank position. And just make a rainbow shape with your hips. You go up and over, tap the right hip, up and over, tap the left hip. Keep drawing the low belly in and up the entire time. So again, however much time you have is how long you'll do this, whether it's 3, 4, or 5 rounds, or 3, 4, or 5 rounds. 30 seconds work or 45 seconds work with 15 seconds rest. You don't need any equipment. I did it here in my living room, or I don't know if you can see my son's train track. also the train room as he knows it, like every room in our house is the train room. But you guys enjoy, have fun. I hope you get to do this in a nice tropical location like I did last week. Have an awesome Monday.